Hi, I'm Mark from Hot D. I've made this video for you today to talk about how do we fix a hair replacement system. So obviously one of the crucial parts of a hair replacement system is how we attach it to the scalp. How long does that last, and what do we have to do? There's two main ways of fixing hair replacement systems to scalps, and that is either by using a glue, which is a bit like PVA, not quite the same. No, don't go be putting PVA on your head. Operates in the same way. We put that on, we let it cure over a period of time. It doesn't take very long, about 20 minutes. After a couple of applications to the scalp and to the system itself, we let that cure, and then attach it onto there and give it some more time. The first 24 hours are pretty critical in gluing systems. We can part glue or fully glue a system. If we're going to part glue it, then we probably look to tape as well. And the tape is like a double-sided sticky tape. They're quite small. That goes on the perimeter of the system, and you peel off all the backs and then attach that on there. And tape can last up to a good 2 weeks of really positive hold. Glue is longer, and we're looking with glue 2 to 4 weeks. It's important that we clean the scalp and the system before we apply these glues, and it's important that we leave that curing time as well for them. So there we go. That's a little bit of an insight into how we glue systems onto the head. So thanks very much for watching.